going on, Mercado channel? It's Haley and MJ. Mark is actually, well, Babe is actually out doing something right now. He has to go get Maya and he'll be back. So I'm going to do a quick collection for you guys. Today I went and picked up 3 boxes. They did decent. We're going to put them on 2 weeks though. This is the first one, which is a nail salon. It sold $7. So there should be $7 in there. Let's see. This is the one that we've only collected 2 times from, and the first time it was basically sold out. And yeah. What do you think, Emmy? So there's $6.50, so that means that there's 50 cents in theft, which is okay. So $6.50 for that location. I'm not editing this at all. The next one is another nail salon, which did really well last week as well. This one, as you can see, sold a lot more. So this one sold $8. So not a lot more, just 3 more. But there should be $8 in here. Let's see what's in here. I don't know about $8, but we got some. Let's see. Change, there's one. It's a little too high up, but MJ is going poop. 1, 2, 50 and change. Dollars, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, 5, 6.50. So that means there's like $1.50 in theft, which is not good. So as you can see, we got some more theft going on, and we didn't think we would really have it with Pops. I mean, obviously, you know, we knew we'd have some theft, but we didn't think that we would have that much. Let me just fix this. Now it's a little better. Sorry guys, you couldn't see the change the entire time. This is a diner, a new one as well. This I actually picked up 3 days early, so this was 4 days. So this could get on the same rotation as those. We are going to put this on 2 weeks as well still. This one did $8. So let's see. They all actually did about the same. Emmy! So 2, 3, 4, 5, and cash. 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. So $7.84. So there was like 16 cents in theft. So I mean, each location has had some theft, but I'm gonna go ahead and add these numbers up and let you guys know. What? You want to tell them how much we made? Tell them. How much, Papa? Hello. They're waiting. How much money do we make? You don't know? Yeah. How much money? Much money? Really? Really? All Alright guys, so this is the money. Obviously it's a smaller collection. All together we made $20.84 with about, yes MJ, with about $2.14 in theft. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.